Hello everyone, welcome to Coinbase Global YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about STEPN project and how to join Launchpad on Binance. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And now let's just jump on to our video. So STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app with socialify and gamify elements, and players can make money by walking or running outdoors. As you see, they created a beautiful website, and when we look down here we can see user statistics, the distance run, carbon offset, calories burned, total Discord members, and total Twitter followers. And when we look down here, we can see their roadmap. We're in first quarter of 2022, and they will bring in-app trade function, in-app marketplace, and IEO and IDO. In second quarter of 2022, they will bring in-app wallet upgrade, multi-chain wallet upgrade, and multi-chain marketplace upgrade. In third quarter of 2022, they will bring achievement system, quest system, and rental system. And in the final quarter of 2022, they will bring online marathon, socialify element, and community events. We can see the team, we can see the advisors, and the project's backers. We can see Alameda Research and Solana Ventures. So we've talked about project, its roadmap, and its backers. So let's just jump on to our Binance Launchpad part. So we've opened our Binance, and if you don't have a Binance account and don't know how to create your Binance account, we already have a Binance tutorial video for you guys. You can check that video out from cards. And after you create your Binance account, as you see there are 9 blocks left top of our screen, and when we click on it we can see Launchpad, and we should click on this to see previous and active launchpads. So we can see the STEPN Launchpad is on preparation period right now, and we're going to be talking about how to join this Launchpad and how to get GMT tokens. So as usual, it's based on holding system. You have to hold as many BNBs as you can in order to get as many GMT tokens as you can. And as you can see in Binance announcements, we can hold our BNBs in all these wallets. You don't have to hold all of your BNBs in just spot account balance. You can hold it in margin account balance, futures wallet balance, Binance savings account balance. You can hold your BNBs in all of these wallets. There are some notes about calculating periods. You should read this if you want to learn more about it. And here's an important detail: hourly snapshots will occur at random times. So basically you have to hold your BNBs for about a week if you want to get GMT tokens from this Launchpad. So the BNB holding calculation period has started today, and as you can see right here, it will last till 9th of March 9 a.m. and on that day we have to subscribe with the BNBs that we held during this time between 2nd of March 3 a.m. and 9th of March 9 a.m. After we subscribe to the between 9 a.m. and 12 a.m. is calculating period, where they will calculate how many BNBs you held in this time gap, and your GMT rewards will be distributed accordingly. And there's the important detail that you have to remember: your corresponding BNB will be deducted from your wallet after these process. So it's simple as that. You just have to hold BNBs for about a week on 9th of March and 9 a.m. and between 9 a.m. and 12 a.m. you'll be able to subscribe to this. Between 12 and 1 a.m. they will be calculating how many BNBs you held in this time gap, and they will distribute your final tokens accordingly. And I'm saying it again, your corresponding BNB will be deducted from your wallet. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And see you guys in the next video.